How are traditional Italian dishes prepared in NYC's Little Italy? Imagine walking into a bustling restaurant in Little Italy and smelling the rich aroma of simmering sauces and freshly baked bread. That's the essence of how traditional Italian dishes are made here. Chefs start with the freshest ingredients like ripe tomatoes, fragrant basil, and high-quality cheeses such as Parmesan and mozzarella. Pasta is often handmade, rolled out to just the right thickness, and cooked until it is firm to the bite, which eateries call al dente. This means the pasta still has a slight chew, giving it the perfect texture for soaking up sauces. Sauces like marinara are made from scratch using crushed tomatoes, garlic, and herbs, simmered slowly for hours to develop deep flavors. Sunday gravy, a beloved dish, involves braising meats like meatballs, sausage, or pork in the sauce for several hours on low heat. This slow cooking process makes the meat tender and infuses the sauce with rich flavors. Many family-run eateries in Little Italy keep these traditions alive, passing recipes down through generations. Meat dishes such as osso or braised short ribs are prepared by slow cooking with vegetables, allowing flavors to meld and the meat to become meltingly tender. These dishes often take several hours to cook, but the result is worth the wait. The preparation methods emphasize simplicity and patience, reflecting authentic Italian cooking. In Little Italy, presentation is rustic and straightforward, highlighting the quality of the ingredients rather than fancy plating. Fresh bread baked daily is a staple, often used to scoop up sauce or soak up every last drop of flavor. Chefs may add subtle modern touches, but they stay true to traditional recipes that have been perfected over decades. Overall, making these dishes involves a lot of slow simmering, braising, and seasoning with herbs and garlic. It's a process rooted in heritage, combining time-honored techniques with fresh, local ingredients. This approach creates dishes that taste like they come straight from Italy, but with a unique New York City flair.